It's weird. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to attend a baking class. We just parked here in Paseo Arcenas and we're both excited because it's our first time. We'll see how are we going to coordinate with each other. We might pull each other's hair. And shout out to Bake Space for giving us 50% discount. So yeah, we'll see you later.
Kanang tungod ninyo na drawer, as well as below you. Behind you are your ovens and the mixers. Also provided you the baking tablet. Once you press let's get baking, your timer begins. We're giving you 3 hours, 4 o'clock, because the next session is 4 o'clock. Should you need assistance, all of us wearing black aprons. I'm Tess Gonzaga, that's Coach Zaira over there. Hi, we'll be very glad to assist you. Please don't touch the first 2 knobs. Just touch the 3rd knob, the timer. Put on your apron and wash your hands and start baking. Enjoy, okay? Preheat your oven first before you wash your hands.
So far, easy. You like it? I think you're gonna be like Ate Pam. She likes baking. Next round. So fun. What an experience. 10 out of 10. Char. Now, I'm Miss Ayala with my annoying friend, Kuya Edward. Nakita na miog. Over here. Gabi ka hayang. Red Lizard. Nang libre akong best friend. Thank you, friend! Diba?
No problem, ma.
Like matcha lang ging. You don't fancy it.
It's weird.
Mainom kag matcha, friend.
Which one's much better?
Oo.
Ano yung pork? Nakakita niyo. pa-crawl. Ito pa na ko. That's it for today. Edward's gone. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!